All right, have a look at this. What does that look like? That looks like a drone with some interesting propellers. Like, look how many blades are on those props. And check down here, same thing. But watch this over here. What's that? Well, that's the drone, and we're about to fly it. Check this out. This is called the JJRC H59, and it is the selfie drone to end all selfie drones. Look at the blades on that thing. Look at how many little blades are on the props. That is crazy. Yeah, I know they're brushed motors, but check it out and watch this. That's a 1080p camera. And look what's here. That's an optical flow sensor right there. And look what's here. That's a micro SD card. And look what's back there. That's the website for this here drone. Yeah, this is a selfie drone. So there's no controller with it. Use your phone. You can fly it indoors or outdoors. I'm going to try it indoors in this video, and in a future video I'll try it outdoors. So right now I'm going to do it, I'll show you indoors, and it actually has face tracking. So since it's a selfie drone, it's designed to fly up and look at you, find your head, and then if I move my head around, it will just follow my head. Now it's not a follow me mode, it's just basically a tracking. So it just keeps, like some sort of cyborg, tracks you in midair and follows you everywhere. It looks really cool when it flies too. And since it has this little optical flow sensor on the bottom, it's rather stable. So check this out. All right, I'm placing the drone on the ground with the camera pointing towards me. I'm gonna go stand over there. So the drone is down here, powered on, blue light. We are all set to go. Now this is a Wi-Fi drone, so you will need to connect it to your cell phone. First thing I'm going to do in the app is do the gyro calibration. There we go. So you have a choice. You can fly with single hand or fly with dual hand. I'm going to go dual hand, so it's normal joysticks. Now on the screen, the camera is facing this way. My hand is in front, and it's all set to go. All right, let's try the facial recognition. Find my face a little higher. There's my face, hit the little happy face on here. Should have face tracking. Oh, that's not my face. Come on back here. Find my face. There we go, it found it. So now if I move my face to the right, there we go, the drone comes to the right. Now if I move it to the left, come on, you can do it. Come on, it will follow me. Follows my face. There we go. So, all right. Now let's try the picture taking. I'll just hit the stop the video and try the picture taking. Here we go. It's gesture mode. Gonna take a picture. It says optical flow mode. Yeah, I know, but I want gesture mode. There it goes. I took a picture. Do you hear it go? Here, I'll turn up the volume so you can hear it louder next time. There we go. Ready? Gesture mode. Hear that? Works really well. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go back into video mode. Yeah, I know. I gotta turn off gesture mode. Okay, one other cool thing I want to show you on this is the ability to do a 180. So I'm gonna bring it towards me. Okay, so I'll bring it nice and close. Say I wanted to look, the camera's pointing this way. Say I wanted to turn it around. On here there's a 180 screen. 180, there you go. And it goes that way. So now my controls are kind of reversed. So they're kind of reversed to what they were before. So I'll bring it back. Whoa, I don't want to go there. See, my controls are reversed. I've got to hit the 180 again. There we go, 180. There we go. Oh, get such. There you go. Okay, now my controls are like I know them to be. There we go. Now I'm used to that. And let's bring it back. I'll show you. It's got a one button land feature. So I'll go way back here. Yeah, I know. With optical flow, everything below it, it's looking at it. All right, so if I want to land it, I just go like this here. I'll get down nice and low. And I'll bring it down nice and low. So on here, I just slide to land. And there we go. She lands. And that's basically the display that I see on my controller with this drone here. I've got the drone pointed at me. So, yeah, so what'd you think? Pretty cool selfie drone. I thought it's pretty cool. It's a bit different. It's very solid. Like, I don't think you could break this. You can smash into the wall as many times as you want. Why am I holding this up? You can smash this into the wall as many times as you want. And I don't think you're going to damage the drone because it's just this big, solid piece of plastic. Like, it's really, really made well. Overall, really good drone for indoors. Now, I haven't tried it outside. I'm going to try it outside in a future video. It's too rainy and windy and snowy at the moment. But when the wind calms down, I'll try it outdoors. And now a quick unboxing of the JJRC Ferry drone. We actually have to turn this sideways because it opens like this. Look what's inside. Here we have the Ferry drone instructions. Here we have the Ferry drone itself, that's the battery on top, and the USB charger. There's not much else. Taking a quick look at the Ferry drone itself up close, we see we have the battery on top. I'll take that out in a second. Right here we have the camera, and the camera is movable up and down, nice. On the bottom we have the positioning system, nice little optical flow, and the power button. And what's really interesting on here is check out the motors, the blades. Have you seen this many blades on a drone before? That's a lot of blades. Check out the battery, open this up, and there it is right there. The battery even has the JJRC logo on it. It's a 500 milliamp, 7.4 volts, so that's a 2-cell battery. On the side of the drone you can see tiny LED lights right here. A micro SD card can be placed in the back of the drone so that you can capture the video and pictures direct from the camera right to the micro SD for higher quality. And that is a 1080p camera. Last item in the box is the USB charger for the battery itself. And now let's quickly weigh the drone, place the drone down, put the battery on top, and we have a total of 113 grams. One final thing to show you is on the screen right now is the two-handed mode. You see you have two joysticks. I can move them anywhere I want. But let me show you the one-handed mode. And this is the one-handed mode. You can see your phone right here. You just put your finger here and move this around, as well as tilt your phone at certain angles, and the drone will fly. It takes a little bit getting used to. I don't really like it. I like the two-handed mode better. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this review of the H59 JJRC Selfie drone. I did an indoor test of it. The next video I'm going to do on this drone is an outdoor test, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.